Hello guys. So now we are gonna solve the problem from binary search tree. This is the problem from LeetCode 75. So binary search tree. The question is search in binary search tree. I hope you guys are aware about binary search tree, but still let me discuss it here. So what binary search tree is? In a binary search tree, it is assured that all the uh, left side of all the left nodes of any node in binary search tree is smaller than that node. Okay, so as you can see, this is a 4, so all the left nodes is smaller than 4. This is 2, all the left node is smaller than 2, and all the right nodes is greater than 4. So as you can see, the 3 is greater than 2, 7 is greater than 4. Okay, so this is a binary search tree. Now if we want to search anything in binary search tree, so what we can do is, the native approach is to iterate through the tree using in order, pre-order, or post-order search, and check if the current number is equal to the required number, and that's how we are doing our search. This is a one type of a solution, right? But we can use the property of binary search tree that all the left node is smaller than the root node, and all the right node is greater than the root node. So what we can do is, so this is a divide and conquer approach. Similar kind of approach which we are using in binary search. So there are two type of search. First, linear search, and second is a binary search, in which we divide whole array in two parts, and we use divide and conquer. So now the time complexity will become log n, which is much better than O n, right? First, go to root node and check if the required number is greater than, smaller than, or equal to the root node, right? If greater than, if the required number is greater than, so we know that we have to go to the right wala tree. Go to right. If smaller, go left, or if equal, that means we found the number, right? Third. So that's all guys, let's code this. Temp equals to root, right? Y temp if temp dot where dot well, okay, well, temp dot well is equals to value, so the output is 231. So okay, return temp, so we have to return that root, and if temp dot val is greater than value, go to self return self dot search binary search tree. Go to left and search. If temp is greater than, go to okay, and check if root return id. Okay. So return self if temp dot value is, if temp has a greater value, then we will go left, temp dot left and find value. Okay, else return self dot similar thing. Right. I hope this solved this problem. So yeah guys, this is getting solved for at least the test cases. Let's see for test. So yeah, we have solved this problem in 100% time complexity. I hope you understand this problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. If you have any suggestions for me, please write it down in the comment section. I will take care of this. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Thank you.